In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cross filters in Salesforce Report. Cross filters let you focus on parent records based on whether related child records exist or meet certain conditions. They're perfect for questions like, show me accounts with opportunities, or show me accounts without cases. Let's walk through it together. First, log into your Salesforce account and land on the home page. From here, open the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left. In the search bar, type Reports, then click the Reports app to open your reports list. Next, choose a report to work with. I'll open an existing accounts report for this example, but you can also create a new report if that fits your needs. Once the report is open, click Edit to enter the report builder. This is where you can adjust columns, add filters, and apply cross filters. In the builder, go to the Filters panel. Look for the drop-down arrow next to Filter, then select Add Cross Filter. This is where the magic happens. A cross filter allows you to filter the primary object in your report by related records. You'll choose the parent object, which is based on your report type, like accounts, and then pick a related object, such as opportunities or contacts. You can set the relationship to with, which returns parent records that have at least one related child record, or without, which returns parent records with none. For example, accounts without opportunities highlights prospects that haven't converted yet. You can also refine the related records further using subfilters, like opportunity stage or close date, to narrow the results precisely. A quick note on compatibility so you don't get stuck. Cross filters work on standard report types and on custom report types that include defined relationships. They don't work on joined reports, historical trending reports, or on some custom report types that don't define relationships between objects. If you don't see the Add Cross Filter option, your report type may not support it, so consider switching to a compatible type. When you're happy with your setup, click Save. Give your report a clear name and description so teammates understand what it returns, then save and run it to preview the results. You should now see your parent records filtered exactly by the presence or absence of those related records and any subfilters you added. That's it. You've just used cross filters to sharpen your Salesforce reporting and answer more targeted business questions. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.